missing this button, here is how you can fix it. Oh, and by the way, do you want to get results like these on Instagram? I mean, growing on Instagram with over 100 followers a day in this global crisis of organic reach? Then make sure you click the subscribe button because it's absolutely free and you'll learn all the tips and tricks that you need to know to grow on Instagram. And you can also like this video because it really helps me out, you know? I can help you out by shouting you out on one of my next videos and possibly on my Instagram account if you just comment down your Instagram username below in the comments. Right now pretty much everyone gets shouted out. We have like 10 shoutout winners in the end of this video. And this can be a quick way for you to grow. And if you want to know if you are the shoutout winner, make sure you stick until the end of this video. So how do you get the add to post Instagram button if it's missing, right? How do you know you have this issue? You will find that you have this issue when you go on Instagram, go on a really nice post like this, you click the share button and you don't have this add to post story. So what are you supposed to do when you get this situation? It's pretty simple and it works on iOS and Android. What you do is you go on the App Store on an iPhone or the Google Play Store on an Android device and you just type in Instagram, and what you want to see is whether or not you have the open button or you have an update button. If you have an update button, make sure you click it. If you don't have an update button but you still have this issue, the best thing you can do is just delete the app, right? It's super simple. If you want to remove it on iOS, you just hold it like this and click delete app. On Android, you can go on settings and do that. If you are on an Android device, you can also first try to just clear the cache. You can go on settings, click on Instagram, clear the cache. That might fix the problem. If that doesn't work, uninstall or reinstall Instagram. It should be good for you. And after watching this video, if you have any issue whatsoever, just comment down below and I'll try to help you out. Right now, I'm replying to every single comment I get, so need help? Comment down below. Let's see who the shout out winners are. First we have Jason, who runs Aesthetics Mafia, the Instagram account. So if you're interested in Mafia or aesthetics, check him out. Obviously that's not niche of his account. Alex Petri, here we go. He got shouted out multiple times because he's posting on pretty much every video. Then we have Rocky Nandali, who says, hi, I subscribe to your channel. Can you also subscribe to my YouTube channel? And I say, hey mate, don't do sub for sub, but if you tell me what your YouTube channel is about, I can shout you out in one of the next videos. It's about sports and cartoon. See, that's way better. Shout out, subscribe for subscribe, doesn't work. Billionaire without the hustlers. Probably motivational quote. Anana Marley. C Vogue Dash. And also another submission from the same dude or lady. And then we have Itachi Boss, Motos 10 out of 10. And a bunch of people that commented below my post, like You Are The Aesthetic, The Money Monday, Alex Petri again, Viral Vets Official, Viral, Do It Yourself, Satisfying Videos, and everything else pretty much. We had a bunch of people on this episode, but I've already wrote the script for the next one. I can tell you have even more people shouted out. And if you even want to say a few words about your Instagram account, that can help and bring more initiative for people that are watching the shout out winners to go and check your Instagram out. I really hope this video helped you out, and if you haven't already, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and this is no financial or medical advice. And by the end of this video, this one or this one, there's only two ways to go. Never click that, continue, binge watch my videos. It just helps me, brings me more views so I can feed my dog, my wife.
Hide your kids, hide your wife.